Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to compare two popular espresso machines, the Yabano and CasaBrews. We will be evaluating them on various categories, so make sure to watch the whole video to know which one is right for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and comparisons like this. Both the Yabano and CasaBrews are very easy to operate and suitable for beginners. However, Yabano can make up to 4 cups of espresso coffee at once, which is a plus point. Hence, Yabano takes the lead in this category. The Yabano is compact and smaller in size than the CasaBrews, making it ideal for small kitchens. However, the CasaBrews has a more durable and timeless design with a brushed stainless steel finish. Hence, it comes down to personal preference. Both machines are easy to clean, but the portafilter, nozzle, and drip tray can be easily removed in the Yabano, making it a better option for those who want to avoid hassle with cleaning. The CasaBrews has an adjustable milk frother wand that gives a creamy, rich microfoam milk texture, making it ideal for those who enjoy latte, cappuccino, or macchiato. Hence, CasaBrews wins this category. The CasaBrews has a professional 20 bars pressure pump, resulting in better extraction of flavors and a more fragrant aroma, resulting in rich crema. Hence, it scores higher than Yabano in this category. The Yabano is priced at $49 United States dollars, whereas the CasaBrews is priced at $94 United States dollars. Hence, if budget is a constraint, then Yabano is a good option for those who want to enjoy a good cup of espresso coffee without breaking the bank. That's it for our comparison between the Yabano and CasaBrews espresso machines. Based on our evaluation, we can say that Yabano is great for those on a budget and wanting to avoid hassle with cleaning, while CasaBrews is perfect for those who prefer a professional taste and creamy milk foam. We hope this video helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one.